Look at the European markets here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group. Securities offered by MoneyBlock. Major European indices right now are higher across the board, even though we have Greece-related headlines that have returned to the surface in the most recent days. Taking a look at Germany's DAX. Basically, before the market was even open, the German finance minister Wolfgang Schäuble said that Greece would have to leave the euro in order to win a debt cut. So you can see that volatility is going to start to pick up both in the debt markets as well as in the currency markets in Europe. Commerzbank did slide 3.1% reaction to disappointing results. We're going to see if that flows over here into the United States. Watch Deutsche Bank as well. The DAX is now trading up about 0.7% despite the laggards in the financial area. And basically, you're seeing most of the components holding up the market. EWG is trading at $27.08. This German ETF has a one-day range of right around about 25 cents. So we'll watch that very closely. Watch 26.69 on EWG if the bulls are going to stay in control in Germany. Now, taking a look at UK's FTSE, it's higher by about 0.3% with financials and energy-related names showing some strength. And that's a surprise for energy-related names, especially since the slide that we saw after the API report on a substantial build here in the U.S. in stockpiles for crude. We'll watch these names very closely, but EWU is the ETF that tracks English stocks, trading at 31.50. We're looking at a range of right around 27 cents for the remainder of this week for EWU. Now, finally, taking a look at the French CAC, it's outperforming in the strongest performing index in the European Union, up 0.9%. No notable movers as far as large cap or small caps. But we're seeing EWQ trading at 24.69. That's the ETF that tracks the French stocks. And right now we're seeing an 8-day range of right around 30 cents. That's a little bit more than a 1% range right now being priced in for the next 8 days. We'll watch that one very closely. 24.77 was a mark that we wanted to watch. If it wasn't held, which right now it doesn't look like it's going to be, that means in the short term the bulls could be in question. Watch $24.20 is the next level to be challenged on the downside in France and EWQ. All right, folks, that's it for the European. Take a look at the European Open and all the action. We're going to be back here at 9:30 Eastern Time. We'll take a look at the U.S. Market Open and see what's on tap for trading today here at MarketStream.live.